Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A80, and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recording toggle, which might be visible on one of the pages. Let's see if I can find mine, and there it is. So once you see the toggle, you can simply tap on it. This will, first time around, bring up this pop-up asking you to allow access to audio and stuff like that. So we're going to select allow, and then it gives you this pop-up. Here we have the record button. The two options right here are the sound. So we have a microphone and system sound, and you can record obviously both or none. And now if you're planning to record both, I would recommend using headphones for that. And the last option is the close button. So anyway, I'm going to click on the circle though, or let me first system sound, and the mic is off. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that red circle. This will start the recording, and as you can see, it gives you a counter right here. This pop-up right here will not be visible on the screen recording at all. And from here we can open up some applications. I am opening up the only application that I know that won't work, and I'm doing that just so I can showcase something and just show the bullshit of corporate trash. So anyway, here we have our Netflix. Keep in mind, I am not signed in right here, so obviously I don't have an account, so I'd never agreed to any terms of service or use. And this bullshit right here, cookies and whatever they want, go screw yourself, reject. So yeah, you get nothing, zero permissions from me. And anyway, I'm just gonna scroll down. You can see there is some kind of content visible right here, like some shows and whatever trash they offer. So anyway, let's close this now. Come on, there we go. And I'm gonna stop the recording. So I'm gonna click right here on this check mark, and this will save the recording to the Photos application. There we go. And you can see it under Photos tab right here, but you should also be able to find it under Albums and Screenshots. This will be probably the easiest way to find your screen recordings down the line, as they will be clamped up just with the screenshots and screen recordings. Anyway, here we can just play it back now. It's already playing back. And what you will experience in a second is a straight up black screen when recording. Like I said, this is one of the applications on here that does this because Netflix came pre-installed with this device. I haven't installed it, so no, I didn't give it any permission because I didn't install it. And there it is. That's Netflix open, by the way. I'm not logged in. I haven't given this garbage ass application any kind of permissions to do anything on this device, and yet it's doing this. This is blocking the screen recording from being able to see the screen without my permission. And the thing that I find most annoying here is the fact that this option, Netflix just decides to implement it, and I have zero F's to say about it. So if Netflix uses it, that's it. Netflix basically shows me the middle finger and tells you sucks to suck. And yeah, as you can see, it just closed. So that was the entire screen recording of Netflix with nothing visible there. And what's annoying, like I said, there's no option for any one of us to change so we can record a screen of such an application. Now, I do want to also clarify this. This option is used for privacy and security purposes, though typically this feature of Android is designed for your privacy and security. But when shit applications like Netflix use it, it's designed for privacy and security of the corporate cunts that want to milk you out of your money, to reach into your wallets. So yeah, obviously they're not protecting or securing anything of yours here. The only thing that they're doing is what I would say is just encroaching on your privacy and security, actually, which is the exact opposite of what's this option supposed to be used for. So yeah, there we go. Just wanted to kind of point that out. But for the most part, you should be able to record most applications, and typically this is done or used in applications like bank apps to prevent some kind of malware from being able to see what kind of pins you're using. So you can imagine in this aspect, this would be a very handy option. But when you're trying to use it for some other applications that have zero business using it, there should be an option for us to change it, and there unfortunately isn't. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.